Practical life education seems to start from an early age, but it all depends upon the kind of interest and practice, their dedication and enthusiasm towards a particular task. So hello and welcome back to a Montessori Inspired practical life journey. Day 2. Today's activity is all about transferring stuffs from one bowl to another bowl. Here my little one is provided with a container full of plastic balls and an empty container where she has to transfer all the balls, and thus the significance of practical life experiments applies here. She actually needs to understand which tool to be used to pick up the balls, and thus she hit the correct tool. Next one is transferring seashells from one bowl to another bowl. It's okay if she doesn't want to involve in choosing any of the two. Sometimes we need to encourage them. This one is all about transferring bread pieces. These are some of the mixed grains which she has to transfer. These activities not only enhances the fine motor skills but also tests her patience and logical approach. I personally don't recommend these activities prosaically, but if a child is happy and showing interest, then go ahead and liberally make them do this task, as it not only builds confidence in them but also independency and active smartness. If you want to check our previous Montessori inspired practical life videos, then go ahead and click into the link given in the description box below. And if you like this video, then please don't hesitate to click on the thumbs up button. Do subscribe and be a part of our playful, interactive and creative educational journey. Till then, bye-bye.